Hey, get down the fiddle, get down the bow, kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen to the moon.
Play with the neighbors.
Liv! You're blocking the projector, Liv.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time!
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball.
Hey guys, I'm going to the grocery store. Do you want bacon? Bacon, got it. How about corn, asparagus, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sausage?
Kiss it. Kiss it.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
My child is completely fine.
We love you. We love you. I love.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No thanks. I'm fine.
Get him.
Turn the boost up first.
Ready?
Flyby.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Very patient boy, but this is too much. This is way too much.
I'm not gonna go that
Help!
far.
Somebody help! Coast Guard! Coast Guard, help! Where the show is going?
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster.
It's bedtime. Foxy, it's bedtime. Fox, it's bedtime.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse. Everyone, what's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm!
On my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Peanut butter. Num 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 num.
It's raining. I know I drove you all the way out here. But unfortunately, we can't do anything.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Will you do me a small favor? Don't forget to grow up and live happily ever after, and stay as sweet as honey.
forever. TTFN.
Hey, I have to tell you something. Look, you're adopted.
Ninushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, you have a comment.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just look at that.
Okay, but why do you assume it was me? You left for the bathroom, unprofessional, by the way, and I sat right here. Maybe it came like that, and you just didn't notice. Maybe you did.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable.
Don't be suspicious. Don't.
Hey! The wind wants my hand to go back, but I'm not letting it. I'm stronger than air.
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Let me spank that butt. 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 Let me spank.
Can't do the time, don't do the crime. Okay, time's up.
Do you have a rock in your mouth? Do you? What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth?
His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Today I went for a walk to Grandma's house. When I got to Grandma's house, I found your toy. And then when I left Grandma's house, I went to the dog park.
Potato.
Your tomato.
Potato?
No.
I said it was a potato.
No, your tomato. Okay, go. Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl!
Hi. Hi. Good morning. What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Stop.
What the hell? What the hell? Don't be.
What's up, buddy?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Good. Come on. Too fast.
Oh